Hi guys, welcome to Cyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the sats in roster form. So we have to convert the sat builder form to roster form. So what is this roster form? First, we need to clarify it. Okay, suppose that we have a sentence given here, which is the sat of all squares number less than 40. This if the statement is given, if the statement is the given, it is called a sat builder form. And if we want to convert into numbers like this one, so actually this is called a roster form. And here the statement is given the set of square numbers less than 40, less than the square of the numbers, means that 1 square, which is 1, 2 square, which is 4, 3 square, which is 9, and again similarly 4 square, 5 square and 6 square and so on. Actually this is the wrong one, this is not a correct one. The 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36, and we will not go for the 7 square because this is uh, greater than 40, because we need less than 40, so we will go up to 6 square. So that is the correct answer. And we have how many elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is called roster form, which we have solved. Thank you so much for watching.